This little plane might look small, but it's seriously impressive. It's a single-seat aircraft with 2 engines, and it's designed to be super light. It's built mostly from aluminum and foam, which helps keep the weight down. Even with that lightweight build, it can hit about 140 miles per hour at top speed and cruise comfortably around 115 miles per hour. Think of the BD-5J as a tiny one-person jet that still flies fast. It's about 12 feet long with a 17-foot wingspan, and it can reach nearly 300 miles per hour on a turbojet. It started in the 1970s as a DIY kit, hard to build, but a James Bond movie made it famous. Star built Star Bumblebee to be the smallest plane to fly, with an 85 horsepower engine and a cockpit. Bumblebee 2 flew April 2, 1988 in Arizona and earned a Guinness record. On May 5th, the engine failed, it crashed, and Star recovered. Bumblebee 1 sits in a museum today. Air One's first batch is sold out and sign-ups for the next one are closed. If you want one, contact Air and ask to join the waiting list. It's an Israeli electric aircraft, 110-mile range, 1-hour flights, folding wings, AI safety checks, FAA tests, rumored $150,000 price too. Nisus from Slovakia's Jokertrike is built to be safe and quick. It has a strong chrome moly steel frame and a carbon Kevlar cabin for extra protection. You sit side by side in a closed cockpit with great views. It cruises 81 to 99 miles per hour and flies about 311 miles. Cirrus Vision Jet is a small, single-engine jet. It climbs to 31,000 feet and flies 1,200 nautical miles. It has a Garmin Touch cockpit, a parachute, and Autoland for emergencies. Archaeopteryx is an efficient glider that feels precise. It's 44.6 feet wide, 18.8 feet long, and 134 pounds, fitting most pilots. You can launch by foot or electric power. Flaps help land slow, and it rigs in about 10 minutes. Price: $128,000. Micron, a Russian company, is building small helicopters meant for regular people. They use 2 rotors on top, so there's no tail rotor, which makes them easier to fly. The Micron 3 goes 93 miles. Pivotal makes the Helix, an electric aircraft that takes off and lands vertically by tilting its whole body. Because it fits FAA Part 103, you may fly it in limited areas without a license after training. Their earlier Blackfly paved the way. Helix costs $190,000. Next one is a 1-seat ultralight from the Czech Republic. It has an enclosed cockpit and a superlight wood and composite body. With 24 to 50 horsepower engines, it can stay up around 5 hours.